My name is Father Ambrose Chua, the Rosminian, the director of the Rosminian Health Center. First of all, I would like to thank the Apostolic Group for the support of the center, the 300, through Father Damien. I would like to give the historical background of this center when it was started. The center was started through the need of the local people. And in fact, when the Rosminian priests were serving in the outstation of Kalukonge Parish, the people of the area asked the Rosminian for the support of the education, the support of the health, because people were staying very far from this kind of service, more than 23 kilometers from Kalukonge to Mombo town. So in 2000, here, the people asked the Rosminian fathers if at all they could have education and also the health service. And in fact, when you speak of the Kwalukonge, we are speaking of the two wards of Kwalukonge ward and Mkalamo ward, with the population of almost 17,000 people, 8 villages. And in fact, these people of this area, they needed this kind of support because they had to go very far to look for the health service. And in fact, it was through the support of the Rosminian Friends from England and Ireland in 2004, we are able to get the support to build this center. And it was opened in 2008, whereby we could support the people here and give them the health service. And in fact, the kind of the service we give in this center, it's the OPD, the IPD, the lab services, the RCH, maternal and child health care. We also have the outreach mobile clinic in 3 villages, which we normally do every month. We have also the voluntary counseling and the test. We also have the program of PMTCT, prevention of mother to child transmission of HIV and AIDS. We also have the program of care and treatment clinic. And then also we have the eye operation program, which we normally do it once or twice in a year. It depends with our donors who are ready to support us to do this program. We have also this kind of the program of community-based healthcare, visiting the villages and see the people are attending to the health services, the people having the clean water, and also they're having the toilets, so to prevent the people from the sickness. So the challenges we are normally facing around this area, it is a remote area, a poor area, and in most cases the roads are poor, and the people within the place are peasants and nomadic people. They have a poor income, and in most cases they depend on rain. So the people, even at times when they come to the hospital, they cannot even afford to pay for their medication. So the health center, at times, they have to take care of the people like that, because some, they come to the center, they cannot even pay for their health service, they cannot even buy their food while they're in the hospital. So at times the center has to take the responsibility to feed them and give them the medicine.